So this is creating the perfect artwork product page with me, María. So I'm going to present myself once again. I'm a marketing expert and content creator, and on behalf of ArtPlacer, I want to welcome you to this webinar. We're super excited to share this with you. Sorry for the small delay. We're going to make it snappy, fast, and most of all, we're going to make it good because you're going to come out of this webinar with everything you need to know to create an artwork product page that actually drives art sales. There is no mambo jumbo, there is no magic formula. We're going to create something that has all the elements that help us create a journey for the visitor to our webpage that will lead them to actually buy our art. So let's start. The first thing that we need to do is define what is an artwork product page. Do you have a precise idea what an artwork product page is? This is really simple, you guys. We see it all the time. We see product pages every day. A product page is the single page that we see that it contains all the information about a single product, and it has a description, it has pictures, it has the buy button, it has explanations and details about shipping and packaging and everything. So when we're talking about an artwork product page, what I just described is like a product page for something like clothing or any other thing that we can buy in a marketplace, right? But we're talking about an artwork product page. So how would we define it? Well, an artwork product page will be an individual page that we're hosting inside our artist or our business website, and that we are using to explain everything a visitor needs to know about that art piece in order to make a purchase. So that page is built with the intention of selling. That page is built with the intention of presenting all the information a potential collector needs to know before making the decision of making a purchase. So what information should we have on our artwork product page? This is a quick list. The first thing that you need to have is high quality image of the artwork, because how will someone ever buy an art piece without knowing how it will look? So we need good quality pictures of your artwork. And you need also a sales-focused artwork description. And we're going to cover this in detail in a few minutes. You need to have also all the essential details about the artwork that a person might need to know, like what is the medium that you work with, what is the size, what are the material, what technique did you use. In the case of paintings, art prints, photography, etc., you're going to need to explain if there is an availability for a framing option, also shipping information and packaging information. You need digital visualization options. So you need to be able to actually enable the visitor and potential collector to see how this artwork will look in their space. And you also need a clear call to action, a visible button that I just can click and add the artwork to my cart and proceed to acquire it. So these are the main things an artwork product page should have. We're going to go detail by detail, and we're going to cover exactly how to build it, because you know what is the important part, or what is the reason that we decided to do this webinar. It's because, as I saw earlier in the comments, you guys were saying, I want to make an income out of my art business. I want to make a profit out of my body of work. I want to make a profit out of my art. Well, a good product page is exactly what helps you convert visitors into our buyers. So we're going to go step by step into building the perfect artwork product page. First thing we need to cover is everything we're going to do before going live with our artwork product page. And here we're going to delve into the marvelous world of SEO for artwork pages. That is search engine optimization. If you haven't heard about search engine optimization, I'm going to give you a small tip. Right now, one of my teammates is going to share you one of our ArtPlacer's blog most read articles, which is search engine optimizations for artists and art businesses. Save it, you're going to want to read it later, but right now I'm going to give you a quick summary of what search engine optimization is. Search engine optimization is writing with a strategic use of a content hierarchy and keywords that are going to help us drive more organic traffic to our web page. These are also going to facilitate the experience that the visitors to our page or our website have, because it's going to make the content more visible. When we talk about keywords, we're talking about specific words that people use to find pages that are similar to the ones that we have. Think about it when you go like to a search engine like Google. You're looking for a specific type of art. Let's say landscape photography from Florida or from Utah. Those are the keywords that are pertinent to that type of artist that is doing that type of work. So those keywords should be present in our artwork product page, because those keywords are the ones that are going to make it visible for anyone that is looking that type of art and that actually wants to or has an interest of purchasing something similar to what we are presenting. Also, if someone for any other reason reaches our pages, having these keywords and these categories help us present the information in an organized way that is more user-friendly and that will help them find easily precisely what is it that they're looking for. So, SEO helps make your artwork product page findable by search engines. The density, like the amount of time these keywords appear across the whole page. We're not talking only about the description text that you see at the side of an artwork. We're talking about the titles, the name of the image files that you upload, the description, a meta description of the page. Everything needs to have a presence of these keywords. So that page is easier to discover by people who are looking for that type of content and that are looking for it because they are interested in making some sort of purchase. So where should these keywords appear on our artwork product page? They should go in our page title and meta description. I'm going to show you what I mean. This is the page title. You can see it right here. In this case scenario, we have an example from Bridget Bradley, one of our users, an artist that does abstract art. So if you see the page title precisely states what she does. She does small abstract paintings. This is original art and this is wall art. And what you can see under it is the meta description. This is a description of the actual artwork product page, and it has to have not only a density of keywords or showcasing the keywords that we want to push, it also needs to have a proper description of what we can find in that page, in this case a scenario, because she is promoting her small abstract paintings. She shares that this is a collection of small abstract original paintings that are made of paper and canvas, created by contemporary artists, etc., etc., etc. She gives an explanation of what the artwork is, what type of artwork is it, what was the material used, what kind of artist she is. She's laying out everything you need to know. And this is exactly what you see when you do a Google search or a search on any other search engine. This is what appears, your title page and your title meta description. It's the first thing a user or visitor will see about your page. So it needs to be optimized with a proper presence of these keywords.